Everybody, I'm attorney Kyle Kaufman at hkklawoffices.com. So happy that you're here today watching these videos. In this video today, I thought it would be very interesting for you if I talked about pets in a divorce action and what happens to the pets, okay? That comes up a lot. We give great value in these videos. We'd love for you to subscribe to our page so you get notifications of when we're posting new videos, so you get all the relevant information. And please feel free to leave comments on the page, ask questions so we know what you're interested in and we can make more videos for you. Now, I'm a divorce attorney in Wisconsin. So in Wisconsin, we're a community property state. And what that means is, essentially, all property that you own is community property. It's owned by both spouses, okay? And the rule in Wisconsin is that anything that is brought into the marriage or acquired during the marriage, the starting point is that that property item is marital property. Now, there are two exceptions to that. That's if there was a gift made by somebody else to one of the spouses, or there was an asset or money that was inherited, then there would be an exception. You want to talk to an attorney about that to get really clear on what is considered marital property or not in your state. But pets, right? A lot of people, this was what happens, right? You get married, you say, let's get a cat, let's get a dog. It could be anything, a reptile, a fish. And now the marriage has busted up and you're going through a divorce and you wonder, what's going to happen to my dog? Like, who's going to keep the dog? Are we going to have a visitation schedule? How is this going to work? And in Wisconsin, for pet owners, and especially people that just love animals, this is really hard for you to hear, but in Wisconsin, pets are considered property, okay? Now, we apply custody and placement to children, but in Wisconsin, pets are property. And what that means is that a court has to make a decision as to who is the owner of that property subsequent after the divorce, okay? So it's part of the analysis, just like your car would be, or a tractor, or a home, a bank account. Your pets are also considered personal property and something that the court has to divide. So essentially, absent an agreement between the two parties that they're going to shuffle the dog or cat back and forth, if one party says, I want the dog, and the other person says, I want the one dog, the court will have to decide who that dog will be awarded to in the divorce action, all right? So you want to start thinking about that, and you want to make strategic decisions before you file your divorce action, because it could have some implications for you as to who is ultimately awarded the animal later on down the road, okay? So talk to an attorney very early on in the process, ideally before you file for divorce. And if you're really concerned about your pets and who is going to get that item of personal property, make sure you're talking to your attorney or the person you consult with about that issue so you have a clear understanding of the roadmap ahead for you, so that if you want that pet awarded to you, you're making decisions early on in the process that will give you the best chance of that happening. All right, guys, so there's my video for you on what happens to pets in a divorce. I hope you liked it, and you'll be back here to watch more videos here at hkklawoffices.com. We really enjoy making videos for you. Thanks.